I do believe there are other life forms that don't originate from Earth. Like the video we watched earlier on in the course about the exoplanets, there are Earth-like planets, but nothing the same, just like Earth. So they're not going to have the same atmosphere. So that would mean like different oxygen levels, different levels of carbon monoxide. Their plants are going to be different. I think that if we did find another life form that lived on another planet, I don't think we would be able to live on each other's. I think communicating would be the hardest part, because obviously, since we don't even know anything about each other, I think we would communicate differently. Who knows, maybe they don't even talk. Maybe they don't even have to eat to survive or anything like that. There's just so many different possibilities out there. And who knows, we may never know if there's other life forms, but I think that there is a very, very good chance that there are other living things out there.